Hi, I'm Rehan. I want to tell you today about the Alpha 200i. It's the newest addition to Garmin's tracking and training dog units. One of the first things you're going to notice is a larger 3.5-inch screen that has sunlight readable display. So on bright days like this out in Texas, you can still see everything perfectly. One of the things that I've always appreciated is Garmin creating ecosystems of products. So this is not a standalone right here. It lives within the ecosystem and you can pair it to different compatible devices. For example, the Instinct has a dog tracking widget, so you can sync this unit into your watch. So if you didn't want to have this handheld out, you could put it away and track your pack directly off of your watch. With the Alpha 200i, you have the ability to track up to 20 dogs out to 9 miles. But if you're hunting with multiple people at different times, instead of having to delete collars in, add collars in, there's inactive collars, so you can turn collars off, or you can sync in different groups. With the different groups, somebody can share their group of dog collars to you so you don't have to individually add them in. Everything in the outdoors goes perfectly to plan until it doesn't. Enter inReach. inReach technology is a two-way SMS communication device that allows you global coverage. It also has SOS capabilities. So if, God forbid, something happens, you break your leg out here and you need to get help, you can trigger an SOS. New to the Alpha 200i is a direct-to-device Birdseye download mapping. So right here on the screen, you'll see Birdseye Direct. And when you're on wireless, you have the ability to connect to that and download maps specific to where you're at. If you look around right now, everything pretty much looks the same from this view, but from Birdseye, it can be completely different. And that can make or break a hunt. The 200i is backwards compatible, so you can transfer data from your previous devices to this device. Also, battery life on this is going to be 20 hours or 15 hours if you're using it in inReach mode. If you want to learn more about the Alpha 200i, visit Garmin.com.